Good morning, guys. This is Srinivas Rao Peruri, math educator. Yes, today I'm going to explain circles or system of circles. Look at these four conditions already completed. Right now, what about fifth condition is if C1 C2 is less than modulus of R1 minus R2. Okay, the distance between the centers is less than modulus of R1 minus R2, then two circles do not intersect. That means one circle is completely inside the other circle. One circle is completely, then the circles, then S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0. Okay, right? Do not intersect. One circle is one circle is completely inside the other circle. Hello guys, right? If C1 C2 less than modulus of R1 minus R2, then the two circles do not intersect. One circle is completely inside the other circle, like this. I have one doubt. Those are concentric circles? No. So if C1 C2 less than modulus of R1 minus R2, then the two circles do not intersect. One circle is completely inside the other circle. Those are not concentric circles. Now, when do you say that concentric circles? Okay, fixed condition. If C1 C2, okay, right. If C1 C2 equal to 0, if C1, so distance between the centers is equal to 0, then S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 are concentric circles. Circles like this. Center is the same, radius are different. Okay, so totally 6 conditions are there. 4 conditions already completed in the previous video. And the fifth condition is if C1, C2 less than modulus of R1 and R2, then two circles do not intersect and one circle is completely inside the other circle. Right. Now, in this case, these two circles are not concentric. Okay, right. So, if C1, C2 is equal to 0, then two circles are concentric circles. Center is the same. Look at the board. Let the circle C1 x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to R1 square, and the second circle C2 x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 15 by 2 whole square is equal to R2 square touch each other externally at the point 6, 6. Right? If the point 6, 6 divides the line segment joining the centers of the circle C1, C2 is in the ratio, internally in the ratio 2:1. Then alpha plus beta plus 4 into R1 square plus R2 square. It is a 2024 JEE question. Okay, right? Yes. Now, so look at the board. Yeah, this one is a one circle, and this one is another circle. Touch each other external, already given externally. Right. At the point. This point is equal to 6, 6. I suppose that P, 6, 6. Okay, so first center is equal to C1 and second center is equal to C2. First center is equal to alpha, beta. Okay, second center is equal to 8, 15 by 2. So this one is 8, 15 by 2. Actually, the equation of the circle having the center h, k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. That's why standard form given. Okay, right? Yes. So here first circle center is equal to alpha comma beta, and second center is equal to 8 comma 15 by 2 given. And the first radius is equal to how much? This one is R1, like this. This one is R1, and the second center is equal to this one is R2. Okay, right. And this point, two circles are touches externally at the point of P of 6 comma 6. Okay, now first to find alpha comma beta. How to find alpha comma beta? So here according to the data, okay, now P of C comma 6 divides line segment joining the centers of the circle C1 C2 internally. Circles are touches externally, point is internal. Okay, now P divides line joining the center C1 C2 is in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Suppose P divides, already given, P of 6 comma 6 divides line joining the center is in the ratio 2:1. So this one is M is to N is equal to 2:1. 2:1. Now 6 comma 6 is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n by. This is the point. Now 6 comma 6 is equal to m 2 into, so here x1 comma y1 is equal to, okay, right, alpha comma beta, and x2 comma y2 is equal to 8 comma 15 by 2. First to find alpha comma beta. x2 is equal to how much? 8 plus n is equal to 1 into x1 is equal to how much? Alpha by 2 plus 1. Now m is equal to 2 into y2 is equal to 15 by 2 plus n is equal to 1 into y1 is equal to beta, okay, by 2 plus 1. Now this implies 6 comma 6 is equal to 16, okay, plus alpha by 3. Now this one 2 cancel, 15, okay, right, listen, 15, okay, plus beta by 3. Now two ordered pairs are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. So this implies 6 is equal to 16 plus alpha, okay, by 3, and 6 is equal to 15 plus beta by 3. 6 3s are, okay, 18 is equal to 16 plus alpha. Alpha is equal to 18 minus 16 is equal to 2. Now 18, okay, minus 15 is equal to beta, so that is equal to 3 is equal to beta. So therefore alpha comma beta is equal to how much? 2 comma 3. Bas, this one is completed. Now how to find R1 R2? Okay, right. So we have one condition there, touch each other externally. When do you say that two circles touch each other externally? One condition is there. Okay, right, C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay, now C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Two circles touch each other externally. Okay, right. S is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0. Okay, touch each other externally. Externally means C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R. Okay, right. Distance between the centers is equal to sum of the radii. C1 C2 means root over distance between the centers. Okay, right? 8 minus alpha and the root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, like this. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to Now here R1 is to R2 is equal to 2:1 ratio. Why? Because look at the board. If the point is 6 comma 6 divides line segment joining the centers of the circles, internal in the ratio 2:1. Actually P divides C1 C2 is in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. So R1 is to R2 equal to 2:1. So R1 by R2 is equal to 2 by 1. So R1 is equal to how much? Okay, 2 R2. Right. So this one is, yeah, R1 is equal to 2R2 plus R. Okay, right. Now this one is root over, yeah, x2. X2 means 8. Yeah, alpha comma beta is equal to how much? 2 comma 3. Now x2 minus x1. 8 minus 2 whole square. Yeah, plus. Now y2 minus y1. 15 by 2 minus 3 whole square is equal to 3r. Now simplify this one, root over, this one is 8 minus 2, 6, 6 square is equal to 36, okay, now plus, LCM is equal to 2, 15 minus 6, 9, 9 by 2 whole square is equal to 3r. Understood? 8 minus 2, 6, 6 square, 36. Right, LCM is equal to 2, 15 minus 6, 15 minus 6 is equal to 9, 9 by 2 whole square. So this implies root over, yeah, 36 plus, right, this one is 81 by 4 is equal to 3r. Understood? So this implies, yeah, root over, LCM is equal to 4, yes, 36 into 4 plus 81 is equal to 3r2. The root over 36 into 4 plus 81 by 4 is equal to 3r2. Now here, yeah, look at the board. So root over is 9 into 4 plus 9 into 9 by 4 is equal to 3r2. This one is equal to, yes, take 9 common here. Root over 9 into, yes, 4 into 4 is equal to 16 plus 9 by 4 is equal to 3r2. Understood? So this 36 can be written as 9 into 4. 81 can be written as 9 into 9. Right. So root 9 is equal to 3. Root 16 plus 9 is equal to root 25. That is equal to 5. Yes, by root 4 is equal to 2 is equal to 3r. Now 3 cancel. So r2 is equal to how much? 5 by 2. R2 ready. Now R1 is equal to how much? R1 is equal to 2 into R2. Yeah, 2 into, yeah, 5 by 2. This value is equal to 5. R1 is equal to 5. Right? R2 ready and R1 ready. Now, yes, what the value? Alpha plus beta. Alpha is equal to how much? Alpha is equal to 2. Okay, now plus beta is equal to how much? 3. Yeah, plus 4 into R1 square. R1 square is equal to 25. Yeah, plus R2 square. Okay, right? 25 by 4. Now this is equal to 5 into 4. Yes, 25 common. LCM is equal to 4. Yes, 4 plus 1. Understood? Here 25 common better. LCM is equal to 4. 4 plus 1. So this implies 4 cancel. Now this implies, yeah, 5 plus, yeah, 25 into 5. So that is equal to 5 plus 125. That is equal to 130. So second answer is correct. What the conclusion? The main concept is two circles given. Okay, right. Touch each other externally at the point 6, 6. If the point 6, 6 divides line segment joining the centers of the circle C1 and C2 internally in the ratio 2:1, then alpha plus beta plus 4 into R1 square plus R2 square equal to how much? That is the question. Yes, two circles are touches externally. Two circles are touches externally. Point is internally. Right. So this one the C1 is equal to alpha comma beta. And M is to N is equal to 2:1 ratio, like this one. Now we have the formula 6, 6 is equal to mx2 plus nx1 section formula. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. Now substitute the values. x1 here, x1 comma y1 is equal to center of the first circle, that is equal to alpha comma beta equal to alpha comma beta, and x2 y2 is equal to center of the second circle. Now substitute the values. And simplify that, we get the values alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 3. Okay, center ready. Alpha comma beta ready. Now R1, R2. Right. So, two circles touch each other externally. Externally means C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Now C1, C2 distance between the centers. Applying the distance formula, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to, yes, but R1 is to R2 is equal to how much? 2 is to 1. So R1 by R2 is equal to 2 by 1. So R1 is equal to how much? 2R2. So R1 is equal to 2R2 plus R2, 3R2. Then, okay, here x1 comma y1 is equal to alpha comma beta equal to 2 comma 3 and x2 y2 is equal to 8 comma 15 by 2. Then substitute the values and simplify that like this. Okay, we get the value R2. Right, but R1 is equal to 2R2. So 2 into R2 equal to pi by 2, 2 cancel pi. R1 ready, R2 ready. Then substitute in this equation, in this expression, alpha is equal to 2, beta equal to 3, 4 into R1 square. R1 square is equal to pi square and R2 square is equal to pi by 2 whole square. Right. So here 2 plus 3, 5. Here 25 common beta. 4 into 25, 1 plus 1 by 4. So that is equal to 4, okay, right, plus 1. Okay, now 5 by 4. 4 cancel. Now 5 plus 25 into 5. So 125. 5 plus 125, 130. This is the answer, madam. Thank you guys. Love you all.